IC bus and international truck technicians. Unsung heroes. They keep our school buses safe, our trucks on the road, and the supply chain running smoothly. That's why each year, the top 10 master and diamond certified international truck and IC bus service technicians from across North America bring their best diagnostic and repair game to compete for the coveted title of Top Team Technician. This is their story. Get ready as the best bus and truck technicians across all of North America converge in Orlando, Florida to battle each other again. Welcome to the 2024 International Truck and IC Bus Top Team Technician Competition.
I repair trucks and buses. That's pretty much all I do every day.
Dan Myers.
I'm not much for the sit-down desk kind of person that I never was, never wanted to be.
Brian Ball.
And if you get it right the first time, you don't have to do it twice.
John Metz.
I'm 67, but I don't want to give it up.
Tom Marty.
Pull in a truck, diagnose it, fix it.
Dylan Moser.
I say I grew up in the passenger seat of a truck, so.
Kent Milgate.
You know, I just get a lot of satisfaction about being on site, fixing it, and getting that piece of equipment back rolling.
Mike Sprague.
I want to take it apart. I want to see what's wrong with it. I want to know why.
Mike Healy.
If you want to be a technician, come and join us.
Thomas Pianalto.
It's going to take hard work. It's not going to be easy.
And Ray Starkey. To all of the international truck and IC bus technicians across North America, thank you. You are the backbone of our industry.